Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L4160 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Epson L4160 driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the first link. Official website of the Epson printer is open at this point. Here we find Epson and our printer name L4160. Okay, after that scroll down. Here we find the operating system. If it's not detect your operating system right, then click at here, and if you find Windows 11, then go to the Windows 11. If Windows 11 is not fine, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. 64-bit is more IMP. Click at here. When you click at here and it is not detected, here we find one go button. Click on that and it's refresh your page, and after that scroll down. And here we find drivers, expand drivers. In a drivers, first is the scanner driver, second is the printer driver. First I download my printer driver. I go to the printer driver, click on the download. It's redirect to another page. Click on I agree, click on download. Okay, close it. Here we find our download is started. Wait for a few seconds. Download is completed. Click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Okay, next item is our scanner driver. Go to our web browser once again. Here we find drivers and here we find scanner drivers for Windows. Click on download. It's also redirect. Click on I agree and click on the download, and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. Download to complete. Download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our scanner part and here we find our printer driver, and these files are actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Go to the UPER printer driver file, right click on it. Here we find show more options. Click on extract files, click on OK. New folder is created or extracted on desktop. Double click on it. Here we find one folder, double click on it. Here we find one folder, double click on it, and here we find our drivers. Close it. Now attach your USB cable to your printer to your PC or laptop. Okay, after that I go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. I center it. Here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds and new option is pop up in a few seconds. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a new device manually. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part in this installation. Click at here and click on the USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you find. Click on the next. Here we find Havadics. Click on Havadics. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our printer name or the folder or newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Double click on this subfolder. Double click on this file. Here we find three files. Select any file. All file contains same drivers. Select any file. Click on OK. Here we find our printer name Epson L4160 series. It is a series printer. Click on next. Give any name that you like. I give Epson L4160. Click on next. It's installing our printer and it's take few minutes or few seconds depending on the speed of our PC. Wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share in the network, then last option I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next part is scanner. Go to their scanner, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Click on the next. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. Installation is started. It's take less than 1 minute. Our scanner is also installed. Click on finish. Next item is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Epson L4160, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.